Hello there. Are you a small business owner who is intimidated by the marketing industry? Or perhaps you simply want to develop your marketing capabilities. In either case, you've arrived at the ideal location. When you glance around, you'll notice that every company is making an effort to stand out, attract clients, and leave a positive impression. But how do they manage it? What differentiates them? The answer is found in the marketing mix, which includes product, pricing, promotion, and place. But before we do that, there is something crucial we need to understand: the customer. We inquired of a businessperson, "Could you tell us a little bit about your clients? What motivates people to buy a product and what do they seek for in it?" He replied, "Of course. My clients are searching for quality and value. They seek out goods that will satisfy their demands and that are reasonably priced. In addition, they want to feel special as a client. They want to be sure that I am aware of their requirements and preferences." And that's just what we're discussing today. Creating a successful marketing strategy requires a thorough understanding of your target audience and their demands. Let's start with the product, then. What is the nature of the product you are providing, and how does it satisfy the demands of your clients? Next is the cost. How does the price of your product compare to the value that it has? Getting your goods in front of potential clients is the main goal of promotion. How will you promote your goods and increase sales? Now we have a place. Where and how will your customers be able to get your product? So let's use a real-world example to demonstrate how the marketing mix may be used to determine the demands and preferences of customers. Consider that you are the owner of a small coffee shop and that you want to enhance sales by attracting new clients. How would you approach completing this? Let's begin with the product first. There are many different coffee drinks, cakes, and snacks available in your coffee shop. However, you want to be distinct from the competitors and provide something special. You do a customer study and discover that many customers want healthier, plant-based solutions. So you make the decision to sell a range of vegan coffee drinks and snacks that are manufactured with ingredients and milk from plants. You are serving the demands of your target market and setting yourself apart from the competition by providing these distinctive and attractive goods. Let's now examine the cost. In addition to reflecting the worth of your product, your price should also be competitive and affordable for your target market. You can reach a wider group of clients while yet remaining profitable by pricing your goods competitively. Let's have a look at promotion now. You want to advertise your new vegan choices to potential clients. You may reach a larger audience and increase consumer awareness of your product by utilizing a range of promotional strategies. Let's look at location last. Customers should be able to readily find your vegan alternatives both in person and online. By providing both in-store and online choices, you give clients in various markets and locations access to your goods and guarantee that they can do so quickly and efficiently. The coffee business was able to create a thorough and successful marketing plan that grew sales and drew new customers by taking into account the marketing mix and learning about your consumers' requirements and preferences. The consumer should always come first, whether you run a coffee shop or work in another field. Let's examine each element in more detail and how it fits into your marketing plan now that you have a solid understanding of the marketing mix and the value of knowing your target market. Your actual items or services are referred to as your product. It's crucial to think about your product's qualities, features, and benefits as well as how well they fulfill the needs of your target market. Value that you provide to your clients is what determines price. In addition to reflecting the value of your product, your price should also be competitive and accessible to your target market. The many actions you do to spread awareness of your goods among potential clients are referred to as promotion. This can include sales promotions, public relations, and advertising, among other things. The distribution methods that clients can use to access your product are referred to as location. This can involve both online and offline retail outlets, as well as a combination of both. You can create a thorough and efficient marketing plan that distinguishes your company and promotes success by taking into account the marketing mix and being aware of the needs and preferences of your target audience. Keep in mind that the secret to success is to constantly put the requirements of your customers first and to continually assess and improve your marketing strategy to make sure you're exceeding their expectations as well as their needs. We appreciate you watching our Marketing Mix Mastery video. If you thought this video was interesting and helpful, please subscribe to our channel so you can get more